The WSWECCL adjustable hose clamp kit gives you a long, continuous stainless steel strap and a generous set of fasteners, so you can cut and build clamps to the exact diameter you need instead of hunting for fixed sizes. Because the strap and housings are made from 304 stainless steel, these clamps hold up very well against moisture, road salt, and general corrosion in both indoor and outdoor installations. The worm drive mechanism has multiple teeth engaged with the band and uses thick steel components, which translates into high clamping force and reliable sealing on pipes, ducts, and fuel lines. Once cut to length, the band feeds smoothly through the fastener and tightens evenly, making it easier to get a secure round clamp without kinks or hot spots that could damage softer hose materials. Installation is straightforward with a standard flat blade screwdriver or nut driver, so you can quickly assemble and tension clamps in tight spaces without special tools. With 100 feet of band and 50 reusable fasteners in a single kit, it is well suited for anyone who regularly secures odd-sized pipes, poles, and tubing in automotive, household, and marine projects.